Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to share a few helpful tips with you how to prepare your car for the winter and the cold months. Okay, stay with us, don't forget to subscribe guys, give us a like if the video is helpful. So what we're going to do first, the most important thing is to check your antifreeze right here. So what you need to do, make sure the car is not hot. You need to do that in the morning before driving it, otherwise it might spray antifreeze at you if it's hot. So you need to check the antifreeze with that device. It's 97 cents at the parts store to make sure that it's good quality antifreeze and it's not going to freeze, because if it freezes, it cracks the bulk in the head and you're out of the game. So what you need to do, okay, we see right now we have 5 balls, 5 floating balls right here. It says negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's pretty good. Antifreeze is excellent on that little Fiat right here that we have at the shop. And you just squeeze it back in and you install the cap on. Make sure you get it tight. Okay, next thing that you need to do, always check your battery. Sometimes they will build deposits here, so you might need to clean it around and spray it. As you can see, that stuff. Okay, let me show you. It's called battery corrosion preventative, and you spray them with that stuff. Okay, like that. It's kind of like paint, but it prevents deposits building here, oxidation, which will eventually lead to your vehicle not starting in the cold winter days. Next thing that we need to do, okay, right here, windshield washer fluid. Make sure you have the one that does not freeze, otherwise you might crack your windshield washer reservoir. So altogether so far 3 things guys. Another thing, check your windshield wipers. During the hot summer days they tend to crack and get wore out. So you can see this one is still pretty soft, it's not cracked, they clean pretty good. And after that, what you need to do, you need to always check your tires. You can find how much air you need to put in the tires when you open the door. On most of the vehicles it is located right here somewhere or on the door, and it tells you, okay, this one it says 33 for the front and 30 for the rear. Cold tire pressure. During the cold months, okay, tires will eventually go down, and this one we have 33, so which is perfect right now. But always check the tires, because when you have good tire pressure you get good mileage. Also make sure that the tires, you have winter tires. As you can see, those are pretty new tires, but those are not winter tires. They're not even all season tires, they're summer tires, the way the tread is. So that thing will not help you on snow at all, ice. You're in big trouble, because the compound, the mixture of the rubber, it's different, it's harder, and the way the tread is. Always check all your lights guys. Just have one person inside the car to check all the lights, and also the headlights too. So if you have any other suggestions or tips or how you prepare your car for the winter, please share it or in the comments below. Okay guys, thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.